keeping all your money in cash is actually the riskiest thing you can do long term. If you can just master these 4 skills, you're well on the way to financial freedom. So skill number 1 is earning money. You need to earn enough to not just survive, but to have something left over. The goal isn't just to earn money, it's making sure you earn more than you need to live. Step 2 is saving that money. And this is where most people get stuck. They earn more money, their lifestyle inflates to match their income. The key here is just paying yourself first. Step 3 is investing. This is where your money starts working for you instead of just sitting there doing nothing. Because here's the thing, your saved money after your emergency fund, anything additional that you're saving needs to grow. And it needs to grow faster than inflation or you're actually going backwards. Where do you invest that money? It could be an index fund. It could be in real estate. It could be starting investing in a business. But the main thing is to just start. And step 4 is knowing how to spend. There is no point being miserable on the journey to get to a happy destination. When you get to that happy destination, you'll realize the best part was actually the journey. The goal is to spend on what matters to you while still building your future. Because what's the point of financial freedom if you forget how to be free along the way?